Good day, plantitas and plantitas. So, while uprooting and air drying my succulents, I wanted to give a quick, simple care tips on how to take care of a black prince and also the benefits of a DE powder. Echeveria black prince, this rosette of the succulent has a deep green to brown color. It is able to be grown indoors, although it will lose its color if it does not receive enough light. Echeveria black prince is a beautiful evergreen succulent that produces offsets or chicks. These chicks have more of a green color, but as they grow, their color darkens. Black prince has typical watering needs for a succulent. It's best to use the soak and dry method and allow the soil to dry out completely before watering. You can propagate the leaves of black prince by choosing a firm, healthy leaf. Remove it from the main plant by gently twisting the leaf from the stem. Be sure not to leave any of the leaf on the stem. So I used DE powder or diatomaceous earth while air drying. DE is a soft, naturally occurring sedimentary rock that was formed from fossilized hard-shelled microalgae called diatoms. You can also use DE powder by mixing it with the soil mix. It can be very beneficial to succulents. The primary reason is to keep your succulents free from harmful insects. There can also be another benefit. All succulents will become stress-free if they are overwatered.
So we're done repotting our black prince. So, ayun yung 2 heads and 3 heads. So, nagtagal sila bago ko sila i-repot. Kasi nga, yun na nga. But, still alive sila. Basta okay yung pagkaka-air dry natin. And pag-uproot, paglilinis ng kanilang roots. And, that's a proof na din na okay din na gumamit ng DE powder. Sana hindi nila pinili yung mga putukan. Meron pa rin nag-fireworks and video since it's New Year. So, Happy New Year! Happy first day of 2021. So, this is the page 1 of our new 365 days. So, be patient, own your own. Enjoy the process, appreciate the little things, trust God's plan. I am grateful that I am not the same person I was a year ago. God aligned me, God changed me, God grew me, and He is still at work in me, making me the woman He created me to be. So here's to breakthroughs, stronger 2021, harvest, increase, and more in 2021. So, Happy New Year! God bless! Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Have a wonderful and prosperous New Year ahead.